Miss Caroline had her teeth cleaned today, or rather floated. It's not really cleaning. Um, she had to have an extra shot because she wanted to wake up. But she's like really sleepy right now. Yeah, she hardly got her eyes open. I had to drag her over here. So she'll be taking a nap. She started to snore, so I thought I'd get her snoring. I'll let her take her nap and not bother her. Oh goodness, she's tired, isn't she?